First thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you unplug your pump so that there's no flow. And turn the connection off. And slightly lift up. And I usually let some of that water drain off first. And then slide it out. And I usually use a pan to put it down in to go clean it. I usually use a pan so I can keep the algae inside of it because I don't want to get it down the sink. But as you can see that it is really built up. And that's a week's worth. You can rinse that off a little bit if you want. I usually do a little bit, but gives you an idea there of the algae that it'll create. After rinsing it off just a bit, I usually leave some on that so it'll actually start up a little bit faster, and it sure helps remove a lot of the nutrients out of your tank so you don't get near the algae buildup. Okay, now for just putting it back in, slide it back down inside, right down into the groove, straight down, and then you want to put your connection back on. Usually you don't have to snug that up too tight. You can put a little bit of mully coat on that, on the O-ring. That does help seal. And it's ready to fire back up. And we're off and running again. As you can see, the water flowing over the screen there.